Stacey from Property Brokers. 70 Shepherd Road is one of those properties that combines old world charm with the comforts of modern day living. At 290 square metres, this beautiful home is well suited to a large family. You can really appreciate the finer details and craftsmanship in a home that's been built like this. I'm Stacey Zuccati from Property Brokers Taupo. Come on through, let's take a look around.